You're gonna wear your hat sideways like that?
I like it like that. Go.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Michaela if you haven't met me, and this is my friend Manny. So today we're going to be doing the whisper challenge, which requires one of us to be listening to music in headphones while the other person whispers a weird phrase, and they'll have to guess what it is that the other person's saying. And the loser has to eat dog food, so who's it gonna be? Who's gonna be? Who's gonna be?
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
So we have a list on both of our phones of things that we're going to be saying to each other, and obviously we don't know what the phrase is, so we just have to guess what they're saying and hope that we get it right. So let us begin. Ready? The banana has legs. The banana has legs.
The meteor had eggs.
No. No. The banana has legs.
My imaginary friend thinks you have issues.
One more time.
My imaginary friend thinks you have issues.
One more time.
My imaginary friend thinks you have issues.
My blackfish has shoes.
Yes.
Yeah? What is it?
It was my imaginary friend thinks you have issues.
Oh, my eyebrow died.
One more.
My eyebrow died.
Pineapples deserve to die.
No, my eyebrows died.
Save a tree, eat a beaver. Save a tree, eat a beaver. Save a tree, eat a beaver.
Savagery is a fence.
No, it's save a tree, eat a beaver. Savagery. When you say savagery is an offense. You like yelled it.
That's what you said.
No.
Alright, your turn. How is it possible to have a civil war? How is it possible to have a civil war?
How is it possible to sleep on the floor?
Close. How is it possible to have a civil war?
I know Kung Fu and 50 other dangerous words. I know Kung Fu and 50 other dangerous words.
I know a food that's $1,500.
Is it I know Kung Fu and 50 other dangerous words?
I hate the green flashing light.
What?
I hate the green flashing light.
You like to read about the fashion life.
That's really good. It's I hate the green flashing light.
You like to read about the fashion life. That's pretty good.
No, you were pretty spot on. Alright, your turn.
I threw a walrus at your grandmother. I threw a walrus at your grandmother.
I threw up all over my grandmother.
I
Wait.
threw a walrus at your grandmother, but you were close. I threw up all over my grandmother.
Even my issues have issues.
Say it one more time.
Even my issues have issues.
If you want juice, I have juice.
Even my issues have issues. If you want juice, you got juice.
I got juice. It's hard to make up a sentence when you don't even know like the slightest bit of what they're saying.
Yeah, right?
Like, you've gotta help me. I'm not safe here.
Can you help me? I can't find Hugh Hefner.
He said, help me, I'm not safe here. Can you help me find Hugh?
Gotta find Hugh.
Didn't he die?
Yeah, I did. Do you like turtles?
Do I like angels?
Close. Do you like turtles?
Oh, a turtle. I like turtles. I like turtles.
I like turtles.
I like turtles.
I like turtles. Stupid shiny Volvo owner. Stupid shiny Volvo owner.
Stupid jacket fell off my arm.
stupid shiny Volvo owner.
Rude. You moved my cheese. You moved my cheese.
You proved you're better than cheese.
You moved my cheese.
Yeah, don't touch your cheese, man. Look at all those chickens.
The lizard is missing.
Look at all those chickens.
Look at all those chickens.
My anaconda don't want none unless you got buns, hun.
You looking for this? Cause you don't want none. I'm over there.
My anaconda don't want none unless you got buns, hun.
Green tea Kit Kats are the best.
Enunciate.
Green tea Kit Kats are the best.
One more.
Green tea Kit Kats are the best.
You're not enunciating.
Green tea Kit Kats are the best.
One more.
Green tea Kit Kats are the best.
You need to get the cat out of the bag. What was it?
Green tea Kit Kats are the best.
Green tea Kit Kat.
You never had those? Dude, my sister brought me some from Japan and they were so good, bro. They're so good. Best Kit Kat I ever had. Japanese.
Death is hereditary.
This is the 7th time I've taken a shower. No.
Death is hereditary.
How did I even get? Death is hereditary?
Yeah.
Yo, that's scary, bro.
Yeah. I know.
I heard your silence loud and clear.
How can you tell it's loud in here?
That was close. I hear your silence loud and clear.
So, we both lost because we couldn't hear anything of what the other person was saying. Now we gotta both eat dog food. Here's the dog food. And we both just have to eat a handful of it. So.
Cheers. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, just do it. Ah! Oh, swallow up, bro. Oh, man, we swallow it.
That's so hard. Oh. Ew.
I can't.
Don't follow it. You follow it? I'm so good.
I'd be sick.
1 hour later.
No, you have to swallow it and then drink the water. I did it without water. Show your tongue to the camera after you swallow it. I don't feel good. You're just mushing it up even more. It's so nasty, dude. I don't even want to look in that direction. That's why I'm like looking this way. The smell coming out of your mouth, it just gonna make me throw up, dude. Oh man. You did it. Not bad.
I just needed to wash my mouth out with bleach. Alright. Oh my gosh. It's like in my teeth.
They're like trying to like scrape it off, bro. Oh, a little essence on your teeth. Keep the
Ooh.
flavor.
I think I'm about to go throw up now.
That gagging actually made me want to throw up. It was like making me gag.
Alright, well that concludes our whisper challenge with a side of dog food.
Thanks for watching my video!
Have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoy.
Thank you.
Peace.